Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restrict features for a child account on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, you'll need to have parental controls set, and then simply go to the Parental Controls app, click on Parental Controls here at the bottom, Restricted Features. Then you can change restriction level to either teen, child, young child, or custom. If you set it to teen, then restricted software will be rated for ages 17 plus. Free communication with others will be not restricted, and VR mode will also not be restricted. Then you'll see child, restricted software 13 plus, restricted communication with others, not restricted VR mode, and young child, which will have software rated for ages 8 plus restricted, free communication with others restricted, and VR mode restricted. Now you also can set it to custom and change the restricted software. You can change the rating as well as the rating system. Now you can change free communication with others, so you can enable that. Then you can also manually select which software will be restricted for that. VR mode can be also enabled, which means it will be restricted. And now once I save it, it'll be saved. And once it syncs, it'll show you that on the console as well as in the app at the top. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.